Good evening, friend. Today we will discuss animal physiology, nervous system lecture first. During this lecture series, we will cover basic concept of nervous system, what is the neuron, type of neurons, and basic structure of neurons. All basic factual points we will cover during this lecture. So if you find valuable this lecture, then you definitely like it, and I hope all of you subscribe our channel. So let's start. First point of the nervous system is neuron. Two factual points regarding neuron you always remember. First point is neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. So what is the structural and functional unit of nervous system? It is neuron. Second point is if anyone asks what is the longest cell, which one is the longest cell of the body, this is the neuron. So neuron also is the longest cell of body. Neuron have basically two parts. First part is known as cytone or cell body, and second part is known as nerve process या cell process. Cytone or cell body part have all cell organelles except centriole. Centriole are absent in cytone or cell body of neuron. Due to the absence of centriole, neuron don't have capability or ability to divide, and due to absence of division capability, neuron or nerve cell can't regenerate. So you always remember what is the reason why nerve cell can't regenerate like other cell of body, because nerve cell don't have capability of division due to the absence of centriole. Or other cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome all are present. So few questions you will respond in comment box. First question is name the three double membrane bounded cell organelles, and second question name the smallest and membraneless cell organelles. I hope all of you respond. Next point regarding cytone is cytone have Nissal's granules. Nissal's granules present in cytone of neuron. Nissal's granules made by endoplasmic reticulum and ribosome. Nissal's granules are made by endoplasmic reticulum and ribosome. What is the function of Nissal's granule? Protein synthesis. What is the function of Nissal's granules? Nissal's granules do the work of protein synthesis. Nissal's granules are also present in dendron but absent in axon. So Nissal's granule present in cytone and dendron but absent in axon. Few neurofibrils also present in cytone or cell body. What is the function of neurofibrils which present in cytone? Internal conduction of stimuli. Second part of a neuron is cell process. Basically two type of cell process present in a neuron. First one is dendron and second one is axon. Few points regarding dendron. First point is branch of dendron is known as dendrites. Branches of dendron is known as dendrites. And what is the function of dendron? Dendron work as a receptor for any stimuli. Dendron work as a receptor for any stimuli. So dendron shows centripetal of conduction. Dendron shows centripetal type of conduction. Second part of cell process. Second cell process of neuron is axon. Axon covered by a membrane, and membrane of axon is known as axolemma. So what is the axolemma? Axolemma is the membrane of axon, and cytoplasm or protoplasm of axon is known as axoplasm. And button like branch structure present at axon is known as the telodendria. So you always remember what is the telodendria, or telodendria is related to neuron and specify part of neuron is axon. A knob-like structure also present at the branch of axon. This knob-like structure known as synaptic knob, and synaptic knob is filled by the neurotransmitter. Synaptic knob is filled by the neurotransmitter. So I hope all points you will remember. I say in the initiation of lecture, what is the functional unit of a nervous system? And simple answer is neuron or nerve cell. But if asked in example, what is the functional and structural unit of neuron, then answer is axon, not cyton. So always remember, axon work as a functional unit of neuron. So I hope you will remember it. Dendron show centripetal type of conduction, but axon show centrifugal type of conduction. Centrifugal type of conduction. Now we will discuss type of neuron basis on the structure or presence of cell process on a neuron. First type of neuron is monopolar neuron. Monopolar neuron. Before we discuss the type of neuron, one point you will make clear. Axon always in any neuron present in number 1. Only single axon present in a neuron. Never more than one axon present in any neuron. So always you remember, axon always present single in a neuron. So first type of neuron is monopolar. Monopolar neuron have one cell process, and I told you recently कि axon is always present in single number, never double. So monopolar neuron is type of neuron which have one cell process, and which cell process it is axon. So any neuron which have axon, one axon but doesn't have dendron is known as monopolar neuron. Monopolar neuron are basically present in embryonic nervous system. Embryonic nervous system is made by the monopolar neuron. Second type of neuron is bipolar neuron. Bipolar neuron have one axon and one dendron. One axon and one dendron. Bipolar neuron are present in retina of eye. Retina of eye. So second type of neuron is bipolar. Third type of neuron is multipolar. Multipolar neuron have one axon and more than two dendron is known as multipolar neuron. Mostly neuron are in a nervous system is multipolar neuron. Fourth type of neuron is non-polar or apolar neuron. Non-polar or apolar neuron. Non-polar or apolar neuron, which don't have a specified axon or dendron type of cell process. Yeah, which type of neuron which have lack of axon or dendron is known as apolar neuron or non-polar neuron. Apolar neuron or non-polar neuron present basically in hydra or amacrine cell of retina. Retina have bipolar neuron, I told you, but amacrine cell have apolar or non-polar neuron. Next type of neuron is pseudopolar. Pseudopolar neuron are type of neuron which have one axon, and one process of axon is modified in dendron. Type of neuron in which dendron developed from process of axon is known as pseudopolar neuron. Pseudopolar neuron are present in dorsal ganglia of spinal cord. So this is very important type of neuron and very important example. So I hope you remember it. Next type of classification of neuron is the basis of the function of neuron. First type of neuron is sensory neuron, which neuron these receive the sensation or stimulus from any object known as sensory neuron. And second type of neuron is motor neuron, which receive the any response from the central nervous system and distribute it affected part of body is known as motor neuron. And few neuron fiber are interconnect both sensory and motor neuron are known as interneuron. So three type of neuron on the basis of function: sensory neuron, motor neuron and interneuron. I hope you will remember it. Recently, I discussed synaptic knob, and I told you synaptic knob is filled by the neurotransmitter. So you will tell me in comment box synaptic knob present at which site of neuron. Basically two type of neurotransmitter. First one is stimulator and second one is inhibitor. Stimulator neurotransmitter, which type of chemical which stimuli the nervous system activity are known as stimulator, and which inhibit the activity and function of nervous system is known as inhibitory neurotransmitter. This example of stimulatory neurotransmitter is acetylcholine or ACH, and inhibitory neurotransmitter example are basically three: GABA, dopamine, and serotonin. GABA full form gamma aminobutyric acid. Gamma aminobutyric acid. So I hope you will remember it. And last few points of regarding nervous system is nervous tissue. Especially we will discuss during the type of tissue system in a human being. But here you will learn 2 points. First one, nervous tissue are originate from ectoderm, and nervous tissue compose basically two types. Two type of cells. First one is neuron and second one is neuroganglia. Neuron we will discuss, and neuroganglia point we will discuss in next lecture. So this is our today lecture series. I hope you like it. Respond all questions and don't forget subscribe and like if you find it valuable for your example.